Grabe besh, unbelievable, less than 2,000 pesos lang, may automatic watch ka na super ganda. TEVISE 7958 top brand luxury watch, biruin mo yun, ang mahal pa naman ng automatic watches sa market ngayon. Isang diver watchman na waterproof, 30, ATM, kaya perfect siya sa mga water adventures mo. May data clock sport features pa siya for that classic vibe, at gawa siya sa genuine stainless steel for that premium feel. Isa pa, mechanical watch siya with luminous and self-wind-down functions, plus in-moon phase function na nag-change along the time, plus super luminous function like the brightest stars in the night sky, bongga. Available siya in wool gold, bold blue, gold white, and wool black, ang dami ng choices. Ang professional brand na TEVISE, focus on watches for 23 years na. Wow, reliable talaga, prioritize nila ang style at high-quality craft, ensuring excellence in every watch, with proven equipment, movement, and processes. Ang TEVISE guarantees reliable and durable automatic watches that stand out in the market. Kaya besh, sulit na sulit ang TEVISE watch. I-upgrade mo na ang watch game mo with this affordable yet top-notch automatic watch. Grab mo na ngayon at I-level up ang watch collection mo. Please share and follow me for more sulit sale. Salamat!